In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file from your computer. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to go to your desktop, which is where many of us keep essential files for easy access. To do this, make sure all your applications are minimized so you can see your desktop clearly. Think of your desktop as your digital workspace, where you can organize files based on priority or frequency of use. Now, the next step is to locate the Microsoft PowerPoint file you want to delete. Look through your desktop icons to find the specific file you no longer need. This could be an older presentation that you've already saved elsewhere, or a draft you decided not to use. It might be helpful to arrange your files by type or date modified to make your search quicker, especially if your desktop is a bit crowded. Once you've spotted the PowerPoint file that you want to delete, the focus will turn to a simple action, right-clicking on the file. This action will open a context menu with several options pertaining to that specific file. Remember, right-clicking is simply pressing the right mouse button while hovering over the file's icon. This is a useful feature that offers various file management options such as copying, renaming, and yes, deleting. With the context menu open, direct your eyes to the list of options and look for the one labeled Delete. This option is generally situated towards the bottom of the menu. Clicking Delete is an instruction to your computer to move that file to the recycle bin, where it will stay until you decide to empty the bin. It's essentially a safety net in case you need to retrieve the file later. Once you've clicked Delete, you can relax because that PowerPoint file is no longer cluttering your desktop. It's always a good idea to regularly clean up files you no longer need, as it helps your computer run more efficiently and keeps your workspace tidy. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a PowerPoint presentation from your desktop. I hope you found this guide helpful. Keeping your desktop organized not only boosts productivity, but also enhances your digital experience, making it easier and faster to find those files that you truly need. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it useful, consider subscribing or giving us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.